It's time for the word. Come on, somebody. Behold, God is my salvation. I will trust and I will not be afraid. For the Lord God is my strength and my song, and he has become my salvation. Isaiah 12:2. Be blessed. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. That was a little bit too much, I know. Oh, wow. So today's video we're going to be wearing one jean 3 different ways. So I hope you like this video just as much as I enjoy making it. If you are new to my channel, hey, don't go anywhere. After you're done, if you like what I put together for you, make sure you press subscribe and also press the notification bell button to be notified every time your girl, posts a new video. So without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Skirt. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna need a pair of jeans. These are men jeans. I am really big on checking out whatever jeans fits for my body, and I am in love with men straight leg jeans when it comes to comfortable fit. I normally grab my men jeans. As you guys can tell, these are light wash. I'm really big on light wash as well. Bless you. I'm really big on light wash jeans, and yeah, so when it comes to being comfortable, I like men jeans. And the one place I like to shop at when it comes to men jeans is the thrift store, because men jeans are expensive. Okay, thrift stores have really good quality, high quality brands, brand new, whatever you like, whatever you're looking for at affordable price, they got it for you, sis. So that's what we did, we shopped for these jeans at the thrift store, and it's really good quality. So look number one when it comes to styling these pair of jeans 3 different ways. We're going to be styling them with a graphic tee and a blazer. When it comes to giving that edginess vibe, I feel like a graphic tee always plays a part, and an oversized blazer is always a vibe for me. And then you hit them off with either some sneakers, a white pair of sneakers, or you can go edgy and pair them off with some boots, okay? And that's what we're gonna do. And as far as like my jewelries, accessories, I like to go with the basics, which the watch, the necklace, and of course the hoops. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be keeping this the whole entire video with those 3 different styles I'm gonna show you. But first, let's rock with look number 1. So for my next look, we're going to go for, let me take off the tag real quick, okay? We're going to go for this beautiful grandpa vest, sweater vest that I purchased from H&M. If you haven't watched my H&M video, try on haul, styling haul, do so, okay? You're missing out. I also style this in the video, so go ahead and check me out. I mean, check out the haul, but then check me out as well. But yeah, anywho, we're gonna be styling this beautiful grandfather sweater vest. This is an extra large, which is why I purchased this, because I like to layer underneath my items, especially during the winter. And I'm going to be styling it with this beautiful J. Crew men dress shirt. Yeah, I'm going to be wearing this with your typical smuggler white tennis shoes, and for my tennis shoes I'm going to be including my white Converse, because I feel like low top, high top Converse are definitely a vibe for me. But this time around it's going to be my high top Converse, because it's cold outside and I don't want my ankles to show the ashiness that I sometimes miss. I just put myself out there. But yeah, look number 2. For my next look, we are going to be going for the turtleneck with a fitted blazer. My black turtleneck, I feel like when it comes to basic, you must have a black turtleneck in your closet for a cold season, okay? You are missing out if you don't have a black turtleneck in your closet. Where did you get this turtleneck, Affy? Walmart, sis. I got you. Walmart. I decided to test out some Walmart items, and their turtleneck is where it's at. So yeah, we're going to be pairing the black turtleneck, woohoo, with the jeans, and I'm going to layer it up with my Antonio Milani blazer. This is cute, and ask me where I got this blazer. Ask me. You're right, the thrift store. I've thrifted this, and I'm glad I did. I looked this brand up. This is actually expensive, okay? And I was actually pretty glad that expensive found me at the thrift store. So yeah, so with the feet, I actually want this to look kind of put together, not too much of an edginess. So we're going to make it look a little bit classy, and we're going to pair them off with some heels. I normally like to go for like the basic, which are boots, because it's still cold outside. Well, not still. It's cold outside, and I also want to at least, you know, fit the weather. Well, not fit the weather, but look, you know, put together as far as like the weather goes. Hopefully I'm making sense. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And of course we're gonna keep the necklace, the watch, the hairstyle, because we look gorgeous. And yeah, look number 3. No? Oh my gosh, that is 3. Oh, number 3. So you know what? I'm having fun. I know I said I was going to give you guys 3 looks, but I feel like it's only right because it's Christmas. It's not Christmas yet, but we are in a season of giving, okay? The month of giving. And I decided to give you guys look number 4, which leather. Okay, sis, we love leather over here. And leather is something that will never go out of style for me. So for this look, we're going to go 2 different style. We could definitely button this up and give it more like of a suitable a suitable put together look, and just hit up the, you know, the dressy vibe to it. I don't know. Hopefully it works out. And of course we're keeping the necklace. We're keeping this. And screw, we're out the door. So look number 5 is a surprise. Roll it. All right, roll it. You guys enjoy this video just as much as I enjoy making it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also thumbs up this video. By liking the video of mine, it actually helps YouTube to push out my content to those who haven't seen my videos yet, and it also gives me an idea what type of videos you'd like to see more of. So yeah, without further ado, since we're done with the video, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.